Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol Akoijam has submitted a memorandum to Union Home Minister Amit Shah urging the centre to defer the census and delimitation exercises in Manipur in view of the prevailing conflict and demographic uncertainties. In the memorandum, Dr. Bimol recalled that he had raised the issue in the Lok Sabha under Rule 377 on March 30 this year. He also urged the centre to implement NRC in Manipur and establish a foreigners tribunal before proceeding with the census and delimitation exercises. Dr. Bimol stated that Manipur has been experiencing prolonged violence for nearly 60 months, resulting in large-scale displacement and disruption of normal life. He pointed to incidents of violence in districts including Ukhrul, Kamjong and Noni. He also highlighted disruptions along the national highways that have affected movement of essential commodities. He said many displaced people are currently living away from their original homes, making it difficult to determine an accurate population distribution across the state. The MP clarified that his appeal is not against the census, but seeks its deferment until the situation improves and a proper mechanism is put in place to address the demographic concerns. He said the census should be conducted only after normalcy returns and the displaced population is able to return to their respective homes so that Manipur can obtain an accurate and credible population figure. He further urged that the delimitation exercise also be kept on hold until these concerns are addressed.